The ieGeek 2K outdoor security camera offers a simple installation process, requiring no cables and featuring a rechargeable battery, making it highly convenient for both indoor and outdoor use. With its 2056 by 1536 pixel resolution, the camera provides exceptional image quality, surpassing traditional high-definition options and delivering clear visuals day or night. Equipped with advanced artificial intelligence and passive infrared motion detection, this camera promptly alerts you to any detected movement, enhancing your home security with real-time notifications and deterrent features. The ieGeek camera's robust design, including an upgraded rubber seal, ensures it is waterproof and capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions such as rain and snow. Users benefit from flexible storage options, with the choice of a microSD card or cloud storage, providing peace of mind with essential video backup capabilities. Integrated with Alexa, the ieGeek Cam app offers a subscription-free experience, allowing for extensive customization to suit individual security needs.